Hi guys, welcome back to Kodemine. Carry here and hope you guys have enjoyed C programming tutorial on our channel Kodemine. And the guys who still not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button below this video and also hit the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos, right? And hope you guys have enjoyed that series. And the guys who new on this channel, right? The link of that playlist is given into the description, so you guys can go through that complete C programming tutorial, right? And in this video we will talk about some queries related to the career in C programming, right? So majorly there are two questions raised by the users that whether we need to learn the C programming in 2021 or not, and the second question is if we need to learn C programming in 2021, then what are the career options available in the market, right? So let's talk about that. And the first question, which is that whether we need to learn C programming in 2021 or not. The answer of this question is definitely yes. In 2021, still we need to learn the C programming language. The reason behind is that still C programming is the most demanding language, right? And or in simple word we can say that is still one of the most demanding language in IT industry, right? And one reason is that it's still in demand and we need to learn that, and the another reason is that C programming language is basically a foundation of a programming, right? Or you can say C programming is also known as the mother of programming languages, right? So if we learn C, it is very easy for us to understand any other language like Java, C++, PHP, Ruby on Rails, right? So many other programming language which are based on C, right? And if we have a good knowledge of C programming language, we can easily understand that programming language. And at the end, the compiler of each and every programming language is written into the C, right? So if we have a very good knowledge of C programming language, our base will be very strong. So the answer of first question is that definitely yes, we need to learn the C programming in 2021, right? So the second question raised, if we learn C programming in 2021, what are the career options, what are the fields available where we can explore our career, right? So the answer of this question, we have a very much available fields where we can make our career in C programming language, and one by one we will talk about that. The first answer of the question is that C programming language is very special in term of to deal with the hardware, right? C programming language is basically direct deal with the hardware like memory management, right? And we have pointers. So in that terms, in the embedded system, C programming is the first choice, right? Like the sim development and chips and the rest of processors we have, motherboards we have. In that, the C programming language is very important programming language. And if we have a very good knowledge of C, we can explore our career into that into that field also, right? And we can get the entry as a fresher level, and later on we can understand their frameworks, what kind of the job flow they have, so we can do that also. But whatever we have covered into our basic playlist of C programming, that is enough to get entry as a fresher into a embedded system engineer, right? So the next thing is the server building software, server building application, right? Or we can simple say at the server level, like the software, the application which is used in server, that are also built into a C programming language, right? So if you want to make a career in the companies who build the servers, or if you want to do the job as a server engineer, or you want to build the servers, like, and in network also. So in overall we can say that in network it's a good job option that we have, that so like network making or a server making, we can use C programming language, right? That is another very good option. The next thing we have, that is a game development. In game development, C programming still a very good option. Most of the old companies or new companies are using C programming for the game development, right? So that is another a very good option if you guys are interested into the game development, right? So you guys can get entry in that as well, like like a C programming. And the next option we have, that is uh, software development, right? Software like desktop applications and uh, in any like desktop application related with the any operating system, right? Like Windows, Linux, Mac, everywhere. If we want to create a desktop based application, we need to use the C programming language, right? So C programming language in desktop based application is also a very good option, right? Some companies are there who actually do work in desktop application, right? Like to building a POS, right? You cannot make a POS on a web based, or right? There are certain application which we cannot build on web. We require desktop application. So for the desktop application, still we need to use C programming language. That is again a very good job option. Then we have another option is like that we have a operating system utilities, right? For we need to create a driver for printers, for scanners, for mouse, or any additional software which we want to plug in the computer. We need some operating system utilities, drivers, right? So that all are written into the C programming language, right? So that is another a good job options, right? We can develop uh, operating systems and it's a utilities, right? So that will pay a huge salaries, right? If you are into the operating system utilities development. So this is again a very good career option. And one thing we need to keep in mind, that C programming is used to development of the for development of operating system, right? The Linux, Unix, even the Windows have used the C programming language. So you guys can think that how much powerful language is C. So there are multiple career option into a C programming language. In the latest career option, you guys can see that in IoTs there is a use of C programming language, right? So you guys can see the C will be always there in the market, and you do not need to worry about that whether we need to learn the C programming or not, right? If you guys have a very good knowledge of C programming, you guys can make your career into a C programming, right? And the next question is, what are the salary amount you guys can earn? Like as a fresher, normally in India, you guys can earn from 15 to 20,000 per month, right? As a fresher. And in C programming, there is the thing is competition is low, salary is very high, and you can earn like average C developer can earn up to 30 to 40 lakh per annum, right? That is the average. If you have an extraordinary, there is a no limit for in IT industry for an extraordinary C programmer, right? So these are the some career options available into the C programming, and hope you guys will learn the C programming and explore your career in that. And if you guys have any query, any question, you guys can comment into the comment box, and we will talk about that also, right? And hope you guys have enjoyed the previous videos we have uploaded related to the C programming. If you guys still have any query, any question in any topic of C programming, you guys can comment into the comment box, right? We will talk about that, and we will also create a separate video on that as well, right? So the guys who still not subscribed our channel, I request you guys, please do subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button below this video, right? And also hit the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos, right? And please share this channel with your friends and family, and also like, share and comment about the video, right? So stay safe. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.